What do you got? Tell us what you got.
So we got a pet bee on a string, and he is now flying around everywhere. And this is him.
Be on a leash?
Yep.
What's his name?
Buzz.
Buzz. See?
Come on, Buzz. Where'd you want to go? Where'd you want to go? Where you want to go? Oh, you want to go upside down. Flip your wings and stuff. Oh, you want to go on this? See that? Oh, that. Are you okay, Buzz? Were you filming that he bumped into that?
Yeah, filming everything.